This tutorial will show you how to export a document in QuoteWerks to QuickBooks using the QuickBooks Accounting Link. In order to use the QuickBooks link, you must have already pre-configured the settings in the QuickBooks link setup prior to attempting the steps in this tutorial. You can find information on the QuickBooks Accounting Link in the QuoteWerks manual. Please also note that the QuickBooks link is available only in the professional and corporate editions of QuoteWerks. To begin, select the Tools, Export to QuickBooks menu, or just simply click the QuickBooks button from the toolbar. When the export window appears, it'll display a list of QuoteWerks documents that have not been exported to QuickBooks based on the exported status that was specified in the setup. By default, the exported status is exported. In this window, you'll see several options for filtering or searching for documents you wish to export. On the Non-Exported Documents tab, the Date tab will allow you to filter documents by predefined date ranges, or you may specify a specific date range by choosing the Custom Date filter from the drop-down and specifying the date range in the fields to the right. After you've selected your desired date range, you can choose to further filter documents by a specific sales rep from the Sales Rep drop-down menu. The fields labeled Display Unexported and Doc Status Not Equal To cannot be changed in this window and are pre-configured in the QuickBooks link setup. The Find tab allows you to search for a document by a specific number. Right-clicking on the document will also provide you with other options to choose from, including the ability to open the document to view it before exporting. When you're ready to begin the export, place a check mark next to the documents you wish to export and press the Export button. Now, depending on the options that you've selected in the QuickBooks link setup, you may or may not see the tax item selection window. This window allows you to select a tax item to use for the document that's being exported. A default tax item can be specified in the QuickBooks link setup. After you've selected the tax item, click OK. If the item record in the quote already exists in QuickBooks, then based on the options specified in the QuickBooks link setup, the item cost or price in QuickBooks can be updated with the information from the line item in the QuoteWerks document. Again, this is based on the settings in the QuickBooks link setup. Since this particular item doesn't exist in the QuickBooks item list, the Create QuickBooks Item window will appear. The window displays the item name and the item description. If you choose the item type of service or non-inventory part, you'll need to specify the account. If you click on the checkbox labeled This item is purchased and sold, you'll need to choose an expense account. Defaults can be set up for the account and expense account in the QuickBooks link setup. If you choose the item type of inventory part, you'll need to specify the account, the cost of goods sold account, and the asset account. Defaults can also be set up for these drop-down menus in the QuickBooks link setup, as well as the This item is purchased and sold checkbox. After all the items have been added or updated, the export will finish and will present you with information on the QuoteWerks document number that was exported and the document number and document type as it now appears in QuickBooks. If there are no other documents you wish to export, just click the Close button.